Hello friends, welcome to dptutorials. Please subscribe to dptutorials and click on the bell icon for notifications. In this tutorial, let us learn how to use CONCATENATEIF in Excel. You might be aware that concatenate function in Excel is used to combine text or join text together. Now, let us see how to concatenate values in multiple cells based on a condition. This is the example that I would be using now. I will be combining the text of column C based on the condition yes in column B. For this, I will be creating a user-defined formula as CONCATENATEIF using a VBA code. Go to the VBA editor window, insert new module, copy this code. I have mentioned the same in the description for your reference, and paste the code here in this module. Go back to the Excel sheet. Now in the cell D5, let us type the new user-defined formula as equals to CONCATENATEIF. Open the parenthesis. Select the criteria range as B6 to B20. Give the condition as yes in the inverted quotes and comma. Select the concatenate range as C6 to C20. Close the parenthesis and press enter to see the result as welcome to dptutorials, share and subscribe my channel, which is exactly the desired result. You can cross-check this. Okay, if you want to add the separator as a comma or space, you can mention the same in the VBA code. Got it friends? It is very easy and awesome, right? So friends, this is all about how to use CONCATENATEIF in Excel. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe dptutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.